Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we just had the USDA come out and give a observation and update in regards to some of the progress we've been making, the measurements, and just making sure that everything is lined up. So right now I'm actually walking down the area where we just made our high tunnel. I'll show you guys here real quick. Wish I had the turnaround button, but yeah, so you can see how we got the ground post in and everything's squared. And right here we're getting the hoops connected, the rafters and pieces. So they have the elbow and then the straight rafter legs. So this is three pieces in one. Those are going to be the hoops that we're going to connect eventually. And this is some more of the pieces that we're going to put on to create the actual hoops. So those are the hoops right there. And we have a couple ladders. So eventually everything will be a finished product. But if you have a drill and maybe a ladder and you want to come out and help, just let me know. Sign up on akronurbanagriculture.com or just send me a DM and then we can get everything going.